Hey, hi Naga. This is Mahesh Lakde, and today we are going to cover Azure Cloud Interview. So, are you ready for that?
Yes, Mahesh.
Okay. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. So,
Okay.
first question will be what is the HD inside in Microsoft Azure?
Yeah, it is a fast and cost-effective process a massive amount of the data using with the help of open source frameworks like a Spark, Hadoop, and Hive.
Okay. Can you explain role instance in Azure Cloud?
Yeah, role instances in virtual instances or which the application's code or role configuration run. A role can be multiple instances which are defined service configuration file.
Okay. What is the service fabric in Azure?
Yeah, Service Fabric is a middleware platform which gives more scalable outcome.
Okay. Can you tell me, name the types of web application which can be deployed in Azure?
Yeah, I have like ASP.NET, PHP, WCF are the type of web applications which can be deployed in SQL Azure.
Can we deploy Java?
I think I'm not sure, have not worked.
Okay. Yes, we can deploy Java as well on Azure. Okay.
Okay, okay.
How many customer subscription allowed in a managed disk?
In a disk subscription limit is I think 2000.
Okay.
Okay.
Um, can you explain a service definition file in Azure?
The core service definition file defines the service mode. It includes number of ports. The file is like a .csdef file.
Okay, fine. So can you enlist a difference between copy and shortcut?
Yeah, sure. Copy means transferring an object from one to another folder, which takes a double space. The shortcut is a dynamic link, an object which saves the space.
Okay. Can you name of the service which can be used to manage a resource in Azure?
So it's a application insights, Azure portal, and Azure resource manager, and log analysis. Null analytics.
Okay. Mm, what is the enterprise warehousing in Azure?
Enterprise warehouse is the phenomena where the data is developed by organization having access in single point of throughout the globe.
You know, Azure is a good cloud, but there are some drawbacks as well.
Yeah, have like a not a proper documentation for this one.
Okay. Any other drawback, you know?
No.
Okay. Yeah, sometimes some application required more downtime. That is the other issue. Okay, then
Okay.
what is the MOS in Azure?
Sorry.
MOS, MOSS, MOS.
Yeah, Microsoft SharePoint server. It allows to user to manage, share, and even create the document.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, fine. Suppose our drive will be fail, then how can you manage it?
Yeah, the drive should not be mounted, which allows the object Azure storage to function without fail. The second scenario, it is replace the drive with the desired step to remounting or formatting the drive.
Have you performed these kind of things, or
Yes,
you just
yes, yes. Yeah,
eradicate?
have work. Yes, have work.
Okay, fine. Then what is it? What it is the difference between proc means and proc summary?
Yeah, proc means it's a refer to subgroup and statistic create in the persistence by the statement. And pro summary, it is the supported static giving all variants of information running simultaneously.
Can you give me the difference between library and list?
Yeah, library is an interface which allow to manage stored document which can created using Word, Excel, PowerPoint like this. And the list is the representation of the item in a tabular format using column and rows.
Okay. Uh, can we create a VMs by using Microsoft Azure Resource Manager in virtual
Yeah,
machine?
no, it is not possible to create virtual machine using the Azure Resource Manager.
Okay, fine. What is a VNet in Azure?
With the help of VNet, can you represent your network within the cloud?
Yeah, like if VNet will be not there, can we create a virtual machine there in Azure cloud?
I think no.
Okay, fine. What is the important requirement when creating a new virtual machine?
The length of the username should not more 20 characters, and it should not end with a period.
Okay. Like suppose we created virtual machine, and for that, like how many power state will be there? So can we enlist all?
Yeah, various power states, virtual machines running, starting, stopping, deallocating, etc.
Okay. Can you explain lookup transformation?
Yeah, lookup transformation helps you to find the outsource qualifier, and it may be either active, passive lookup transformation.
The next question will be, what are the three main component of Azure Windows Azure platform?
App fabric, storage, and compute.
Okay. Can you explain CS pack in Azure?
Yeah, CSPack is a command line tool. It's which generate a service package file.
Okay. What is the purpose of using application partition scheme in Azure?
Yeah, an application partition aims to reduce application traffic within the specific domain.
Okay. Service level agreement in Azure.
The service sends so that you send two or more roles instance of each role. Access your cloud services will be maintained 9 out of 10 times.
So, in reality, it is like a work that SLA will be,
Yeah,
everything should be go in a good
yes,
way or
yeah,
100%.
yes,
Okay. Because we face sometimes the Azure related issues. That's why I'm asking. Okay.
yeah.
What do you mean by network security group?
Yeah, network security group allows to manage network traffic to NIC or subnet.
Okay. Mm, what happens when you exhaust the maximum failed attempt by authenticating yourself using Azure AD, Active Directory?
Yeah, we use more method to lock accounts. This based IP's address of the request and password entered by the user.
Okay. Can you explain the concept of table in Azure, Windows Azure?
Yeah, a table is one kind of Azure storage or Azure stores. It in which can you store your information like a table allow structure data storage. There can be 0 to n table of storage accounts. An element has an essential key and properties as well a key value pair.
Okay, what is a temp drive in VM?
Yeah, time drive is used to like a paging in Azure. However, it is a short drive and should not use it for storage.
Okay. Okay. Can you explain guest OS in Azure?
Yeah, guest OS is an operating system which runs a virtual machines which allows to host an instances a role.
Okay. Next question will be when you will find the list of built-in app with ADD.
Yeah, the Azure Active Directory has more than 2,500 built-in apps. It allows to access the application more securely.
Okay. The final and most important question, like our data disk provide a support within a scale set.
Yes, a scale allows you to define attack data disk configuration which applies to all VMs in the set. Other options for the data store like Azure Files, Azure Data Services, OS Drive, External Data Service.
Okay. I'm done from my side. Do you have any question for me?
Yeah, no hash.
Okay. Thanks for your time.
Yeah,
And yes, thanks for participating.
okay,
Bye-bye.
thank you. Yeah, bye.